Ever feel like your cat is just over your affection? Meet Fufu, the undisputed king of dramatic sighs and don't touch me expressions. Watch as he sets the scene for a morning filled with sassy attitude. The struggle is real. We're having a full-blown argument